If you are looking for an efficient, affordable, and easy-to-start solution for recycling waste cables, a small water-type copper wire granulator may be exactly what you need. This machine is designed especially for recyclers who handle small to medium volumes of cables, such as household wires, electronic wires, automotive wiring, and mixed thin cables. Compared with larger industrial plants, this compact system is more budget-friendly, easier to install, and requires less space and lower energy consumption. More importantly, it delivers excellent separation results. The water separation technology provides high-purity copper granules, especially for thin and lightweight cables where traditional dry separators may struggle. The machine is simple to operate, easy to maintain, and ideal for beginners or small recycling businesses who want stable profit with lower investment risk. Whether you want to start a new recycling business or upgrade your current capacity, this small water-type copper granulator offers a meaningful, sustainable, and profitable solution. If you'd like to know capacity options, wire types it can handle, or customization details, feel free to contact us anytime. We're here to support your recycling journey.